Slim, back in this bitch again. Check it. Came up slanging and banging on the block. Sold everything from weed pills to rock. Wouldn't have ever stopped if it wasn't for a rap. Now I'm just spitting, I don't want that life back. Tired of selling crack and all that other shit. Sick of running from cops, man, I just wanna spit. That's just what I'm gonna do. Quit, I refuse. My rhymes are like dope, it'll make you wanna use. Bump 'em while you cruise, let the speakers bang. It ain't no thing, these other cats can't hang with my style, dog. I'm just too sick with it. These haters are in denial, they don't wanna admit it. I just don't get it. When I was broke, they loved it. I'm on some thug shit, my style, they can't touch it. No one is above it, man, I'm right here on top. And I'm here to stay, yeah, I'm setting up shop. Homie, you get popped, doing something stupid. Listening and learning, dog, I'll show you how to do it. See Slim.
This is how you do it. Stop, look, and listen. He'll make you look stupid if you try to diss him. You better watch your mouth and learn how to act, or them barn owls will put you on your back. Put you on your back. Put you on your back. Learn how to act before we put you on your back.
Headed to the top, all I get's props.